Alright, people of the world, here are my strawberry mini cupcakes and puff pastry. We're going to try those in a second. I put them at 20 minutes, 400 in my COMFEE air fryer. That's my second batch going on. I did take these out about 5 minutes prior. So we'll see how these taste right now. Let's get them tasted. That one just comes right out. Look at that, right out. You can see, crunchy. I'll just pick it up. Well, it looks done. Let's taste it. It's kind of hot. So let's see how this goes, okay? Woo!
I'm toasting a bagel this morning. I've got the setting on the bagel setting. It sets the timer. I have the darkness set on 4. So it's in there toasting. You can see how the top burner heater is on, but the bottom one is not for the toasting the bagel. It's quiet.
बंद कर दे वीडियो.
Okay, first time using this, and I noticed an issue that if you pull the tray out, your food falls out, because this tray doesn't sit flat by quite a bit, and obviously the more you pull it out. So that's one issue.
And this is what I'm saying is completely unacceptable. Look at this. Look at what happens to your pan. When you put this in here, you watch. Okay, I'll line that one up. Look what happens to that one. Okay, fine. I'll line that one up. Look what happens to that. Are you seriously selling this? This is okay with you guys.
So